ZCAR Stock Analysis. Monday, is it a buy or not? Let's see where is Zoomcar Holdings going in the next upcoming days, weeks, and months. Looking at it, we're sitting at 63% up for towards the day. And like looking at this market, I would only really still be bearish. Like last week's performance, yes, it was like 54. Just Friday was a little bit more than that, but I've done 26,000 videos like this over the last 4 years. So I do have a lot of experience in when it comes to situations like this. And I'm not trying to sit here and just talk crap on ZCAR or ZCAR. It just genuinely is just bearish for me. Situations like this, most of the time we just hover around the supply zone. I'm not even in a short, this is just my bias. So if I see that double break, only then I'd still continue and take lower. Anything else, guess what? It's complete noise and I would not be interested. So if you want to learn the strategy that I'm using for free, just check the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars and I'll see you in the next one.